Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have, of course, a Google Chrome update for security. So this is one of those important updates that is really good to actually do to make sure that you stay safe. So if you go into your Google Chrome browser, upper right corner in the three vertical dots, go down to Help and About Google Chrome. It should technically, for a lot of you, be already up to date, but if it's not, it's going to force the update to go to version 106.0.5249.119. This is for Windows, Mac, and Linux users, and it fixes 6 high severity security flaws. So they're all high severity. One is a problem in what's called SKIA. One is a heap buffer overflow in the web SQL. There's an inappropriate implementation of custom tabs. There's permissions API problem. There's also a problem with safe browsing and peer connections. So these are high severity, all of them, and that means that it is important to fix them because that's your first line of defense for the web, since, of course, you go on the web with the browser. And, of course, it is more updates. There's no 0-day or really bad flaws that are exploited in the wild, so that's at least a good idea behind it. So update your Chrome browser, and, of course, if you have a Chromium-based browser that you use, that is Brave, Opera, Edge, they should be updated within the next few hours or days to make sure that you stay up to date to the browser. Of course, all Chromium-based browsers technically follow some of these updates. So once again, all you have to do is to make sure that you have its upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, Help About Google Chrome. And you will be up to date on version 106.0.5249.119 for Linux, Mac, and Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.